Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel and back to the Star Wars Sandcrawler. Hope everyone is doing great. So since the last video, I've been primarily focused on this back side. And as you can see, I have this back plate in. This is where the engines will go, back here. Then we have this level, where the nuclear fusion tank is. And obviously, down here is the engine room. And it also will be lit up, which I am going to zoom in on it so you guys can see a better look, and I'll show you my theory on how it works. So this is how it would work. From the furnace, it would burn the gray ore super hot, come up this pipe from the furnace into this pipe, which leads to the tank that has the liquid in it that would boil and create pressure and steam. Then it would come out this pipe right here down into the engine room, down to here. As you can see, this piece right here, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm doing my best, right here, which splits off to 3 different pressure pipes that goes one into each engine that distributes the heat, the pressure, and the steam. In turn, it goes inside, and inside each engine would be a pressure valve, pressurized system of some kind that would give it more pressure to operate the engines. So that is my theory on how it works, how it would work. And as I said, I will put still shots up at the end of this video for closer looks at everything. And under here there is, as you can see a light here and a light here. Those are 2 yellow lights lighting up underneath. And then up here you can see the light shining through. There are a total of 10 lights. 8 of them are blue and 2 of them are just white. Now obviously I still need to do some cleanup on all the edges here, but I'll worry about that once I get to that point, which will be after I finish in this area here, which I decided I wanted to do last, which will be the next thing I do. So when the next video rolls around, the whole first floor would be done. The engine room's already done. The loading bay is already done, about 98%. Then I'll have to finish this, putting in the bays for scrap and extra part storage. Obviously paint it. And then the whole bottom will be done as far as the first floor. Now, as you can see up here, all these wires, looks like a big rat's nest, but all that's going to get cleaned up because I plan on, once I get close to the top, when the 3rd floor is in, there's going to be obviously some cross beams. Probably, I'm not sure exactly where or how, but probably cross this way, and these wires back here, actually back here on the top, on the 3rd floor, is going to be the section where all the wires tie into. And that's going to be where all the batteries are going to be, which will be ran off my 9-volt batteries, which at first I planned on doing 2, but I'm going to do 4 instead. So somewhere in this general area will be the compartment for the batteries and everything else. But as I said, there'll be cross beams going across for extra support of everything, including back here, possibly. These may not need it, I don't know yet. But those extra supports will be the same size as these beams, which all the wires will run through to hide them. This is the back side right here. That will be the permanent holes not coming apart. This is the front right here on this side. But I had it facing the camera this way because it's easier to get in the shot from my setup. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. I know it wasn't a super long video, but I hope you liked it and continue watching. And please like, subscribe, share, and leave your comments. And I'll see you later.